Watch complete my video and subscribe my channel.
Picture this. The sun is setting over the track, casting long golden shadows across the asphalt. And then it appears. A silver Porsche 911 GT3 RS, low, wide, and absolutely menacing, launches out of the final corner with exhaust flames spitting fire into the evening air. This isn't CGI. This isn't a movie set. This is real life. And this machine is doing things that should not be physically possible for a car you can legally drive to your local Whole Foods on a Tuesday morning. The rear tires are screaming, the aero is working overtime, and somewhere inside that flat six engine, 11,000 revolutions are happening every single minute. In America, we love power. We love speed. We love machines that make your heart rate spike the second you hear them fire up. And right here, right now, this Porsche represents everything that is beautiful and brutal about automotive engineering at its absolute peak. This is not just a car. This is a statement. A rolling, fire-breathing, corner-destroying statement that some engineers refuse to compromise, some builders refuse to settle, and some drivers refuse to accept limits. At Elite Auto Reviews, we don't just show you the cars. We take you inside the obsession, the engineering, the passion, and the pure mechanical madness that creates moments exactly like this one. So buckle up, turn your volume all the way up, and get ready. Because what you are about to see and hear over the next few minutes is going to permanently change how you think about what a street car is actually capable of. Welcome to the show. Let's go.
Most people never get to see this. They drive their cars every single day, they fill up the tank, they hit the highway, and they have absolutely no idea what is happening just a few inches behind that firewall. The controlled explosion, the spinning metal, the thousands of precisely engineered components working in perfect harmony at temperatures that would melt lesser materials without even breaking a sweat. But today, we are pulling back the curtain. What you are looking at right now is a Porsche flat six engine that has been transformed from a brilliant factory unit into something the original engineers probably dreamed about on their lunch breaks, but never got corporate approval to actually build. Individual throttle bodies sit where a single unit used to live. Polished aluminum catches the workshop light like jewelry, and every single component in this engine bay has been chosen with one obsessive goal in mind: more revs, more response, more power, absolutely zero compromises. In America's best performance shops, from California to Florida to the Carolinas, builders are spending hundreds of hours on engines exactly like this one, chasing perfection with micrometers and dyno sheets instead of guesswork. At Elite Auto Reviews, we respect that craft deeply. We believe that understanding what is under the hood makes you a better enthusiast, a smarter buyer, and honestly, just a more interesting person at the garage on a Saturday morning. So take a good look at this engine, because what you are seeing is not just machinery, it is passion, precision, and American performance culture expressed in aluminum, titanium, and obsessive human dedication. This is what we live for.
There is one number on this gauge cluster that changes everything. And right now, that needle is pointing directly at it. 11,000 RPM. Say that out loud for a second. 11,000 revolutions per minute. That means this engine's crankshaft is completing 183 full rotations every single second. Your brain can barely process a single second, and in that same window of time, the internal components of this Porsche Fat 6 are doing things at a speed that defies common sense and makes aerospace engineers genuinely impressed. Most American performance cars, even the fast ones, the Mustangs, the Corvettes, the heavy-hitting muscle machines that we love, they make their power down low, in the torque, in the rumble. Porsche took a completely different philosophy and committed to it with religious intensity for decades. High revs, linear power delivery, a screaming crescendo of mechanical music that builds and builds until you are absolutely convinced the engine is about to explode, and then it just keeps climbing. The red zone on this gauge is not a warning. It is an invitation.
The engineers who built this, and the tuners who pushed it even further, wanted you to live in that top 10% of the rev range, and they built everything around making that experience feel not just fast, but transcendent. At Elite Auto Reviews, we think the tachometer tells the truest story about what a car actually is. Horsepower numbers on a spec sheet are one thing. Watching that needle bury itself past 10 grand while the engine sings at full scream is something else entirely. That right there is automotive religion, and we are true believers.
After dark is when the real ones come out. When the casual drivers have packed up and headed home, when the paddock gets quiet and the floodlights take over, that is when you see what these machines are truly made of. A black Porsche 992 GT3 against a night track background is one of the most cinematic things in the automotive world. The sparks trailing from the diffuser, the headlights cutting through the darkness like a fighter jet on approach, the tires laying down thick rubber lines through every corner with absolute mechanical authority. America has some of the greatest racetracks on Earth. Road America in Wisconsin, Laguna Seca in California, Virginia International Raceway, Watkins Glen in New York. And on any one of those circuits, on any given weekend, you will find privately owned, street-legal Porsches doing things that make professional racing teams uncomfortable. These are not factory race cars with unlimited budgets. These are passion projects. These are guys and women who saved up, found the right builder, made the right modifications, and then drove their car to the circuit, unloaded from a trailer, or sometimes just pulled directly into the paddock, and then went out and embarrassed six-figure exotics. The night track environment amplifies everything. The sound bounces differently, the heat from the brakes glows brighter, and the commitment required to carry speed through a corner at 11,000 RPM in the dark is on a completely different level. At Elite Auto Reviews, we chase these moments because they remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. Not the dealerships, not the commercials. This, right here, pure and real. Behind every great Porsche on the track, there is a garage. And inside that garage, there is usually one person, or a small crew of them, who have given up weeknights, weekends, and a genuinely unreasonable amount of money in pursuit of something that most people around them will never fully understand. They are not doing it for Instagram likes, although the content is always incredible. They are not doing it to impress people at the coffee shop. They are doing it because the idea of leaving performance on the table, of accepting factory limitations when they know more is possible, is physically painful to them. In workshops across America right now, in suburban garages in Ohio, in professional build shops in Texas, in converted warehouses in Southern California, engines like this one are being torn down to their bare blocks and rebuilt from scratch with better parts, tighter tolerances, and a level of attention to detail that makes Swiss watchmakers feel seen. Every bolt is torqued to spec. Every clearance is measured twice. The camshaft timing is dialed in with tools that cost more than most people's first cars. And when it all goes back together, and the engine fires for the first time after a full build, that sound in a closed workshop space is something you carry with you for the rest of your life. At Elite Auto Reviews, we have the deepest respect for these builders. They are the backbone of American performance culture. They are the reason that a street Porsche can walk onto a professional circuit and make everyone stop and stare. We celebrate them, we document them, and we are very glad they exist. Numbers do not lie, and right now the dyno is telling a story that is almost too good to be true. 480 horsepower, naturally aspirated, no turbocharger, no supercharger, no hybrid assistance, just air, fuel, precise timing, and the accumulated knowledge of engineers and tuners who have spent years chasing every last horsepower out of the Porsche Flat 6 platform. In a country that has always worshipped at the altar of big power, where we build V8s the size of coffee tables and supercharge them just because we could, there is something almost rebellious about a 4-liter 6-cylinder making nearly 500 horsepower through pure mechanical engineering rather than forced induction. The dyno pull itself is a ritual. The tires are strapped down, the exhaust fans fire up, the operator clicks through the software settings, and then the driver mashes the throttle, and the room fills with the most aggressive, naturally aspirated sound you have ever heard in an enclosed space. The power curve climbs steadily, builds through the mid-range, and then, at around 8,000 RPM, something shifts, and the graph goes nearly vertical, all the way to the rev limiter. The operator shakes their head, double-checks the numbers, and nods slowly. The build is good. The tune is right. This thing is ready to go racing. At Elite Auto Reviews, we believe the dyno sheet is the moment of truth in any build. It either validates every decision made over months of work, or it tells you something needs to go back on the engine stand. Today, this one passed with honors.
There is a specific kind of magic that happens in a motorsport paddock at sunrise, and if you have ever experienced it, you know exactly what we are talking about. The air is cool, the track is empty, the mist is still hanging over the infield, and then one by one, the cars start arriving. Trailers unhook, canopies go up. The smell of race fuel starts to mix with morning coffee, and slowly the paddock comes alive with the sound of engines being fired up for the first time, warming up, being listened to, being felt through the seat and the steering wheel as drivers calibrate their relationship with their machine before the session begins. And then there is always one car that stops everyone in their tracks. Today, it is a Guards red Porsche Cayman GT4 RS, sitting in the paddock looking like it just stepped out of a factory racing program, except it also has a current registration sticker on the windshield and a set of street tires in the trailer for the drive home. This is what the Porsche community in America has built, a culture where the line between road car and race car is not just blurred, it is deliberately, lovingly, obsessively erased. Real estate agents, software engineers, teachers, entrepreneurs, people from every walk of American life who caught the Porsche bug and decided the only cure was more track days, better lap times, and yes, a few modifications that the factory did not exactly plan for. Elite Auto Reviews exists to document these people and these moments, because this right here is what car culture looks like when it is lived authentically.
Here is the question that started it all, and it is the question that drives everything we do at Elite Auto Reviews. What is the difference between a street Porsche and a race Porsche? And how far can the gap actually be closed? On the left side of your screen, you are looking at a completely stock Porsche 911 in matte gray. It is a beautiful car by any standard. Factory suspension, stock engine, standard wheels, completely unmodified, and representing one of the greatest production sports cars ever built. On the right side of your screen, you are looking at what happens when an obsessive builder and a willing owner decide that good enough is not good enough. Wide-body aero kit, slick tires, full cage, custom suspension geometry, a flat-six engine that has been rebuilt from the ground up with aftermarket internals, individual throttle bodies, custom cams, and a rev limiter set 11,000 RPM high. Two cars, same DNA, completely different destinies. In America, we have always believed in the hot rod tradition, the idea that what came from the factory is just the starting point, not the finish line. That philosophy lives and breathes in the Porsche community more vibrantly than almost anywhere else in modern car culture. Because Porsche gave builders an incredible foundation, and the builders responded by taking it somewhere the factory never imagined, and honestly, somewhere we suspect the factory engineers secretly love seeing. The gap between left and right is not just about money or parts. It is about vision, commitment, and a particular kind of American restlessness that refuses to accept limits. That is the spirit this channel runs on, and that is what you are watching right now. Right now, you are in the seat. This is the view that every single person who watches car content secretly wants. Not the outside shot, not the overhead drone, not the trackside angle. The seat. The wheel in your hands, the pedals under your feet, the dashboard in front of you displaying information that is trying very hard to tell you something important before you are moving too fast to process it. The RPM lights are flashing. You are at 10,800, climbing, and the engine behind your head is making a sound that the human nervous system was not designed to remain calm in response to. Your hands are on a Porsche GT3 steering wheel. Your foot is flat on the floor, and through the windshield, an American race circuit is arriving at a rate that compresses time and sharpens every single one of your senses to a point. This
is the experience that these builds are created for. Not the garage photos, not the dyno numbers, not the spec sheet or the forum posts or the magazine features. This, the actual act of driving a machine that has been tuned, modified, and perfected to perform at the absolute edge of what street-legal components can achieve, on a real circuit, at real speed, with real stakes. At Elite Auto Reviews, we put you in this seat as often as we possibly can, through the cameras, through the data, through the stories of the drivers who live for these moments. Because experiencing this vicariously is the closest most of us will get, and we intend to make it feel as real as humanly possible. Hang on, we are not done yet. Where performance meets passion. That is not just a tagline. That is the entire reason Elite Auto Reviews exists. Because in a world that is moving faster every day toward automation, electrification, and driver assistance systems that slowly remove the human from the equation, there is a community of people in America who are fighting back the only way they know how, by building cars that demand everything from you, reward everything you give, and make you feel more alive per mile than anything else on four wheels. A white Porsche 911 GT3 on an empty American highway at dusk, with storm clouds building behind it and golden light wrapping around every curve of that iconic bodywork, is not just a beautiful image. It is a symbol. It represents the choice that every real enthusiast makes when they decide that life is too short for boring cars, that weekends were made for track days, and that the sound of a naturally aspirated flat six at full song is worth every sacrifice it takes to experience it. Elite Auto Reviews was built for the people who get that, the people who watch a dyno pull like it is championship sports, the people who know the difference between a Mezger engine and a 981, the people who wake up on Saturday morning and the first thing they think about is horsepower. This channel is your home. These videos are made for you. And as long as there are builders turning street Porsches into 11,000 RPM monsters, we will be right here documenting every single second of it. Thank you for being part of this community. Now, let's go make something great.